I'm so happy today. Me and my friend Crystal are gonna look for a new house for me and the kids. Oh, I think I should tell Crystal to come now, 'cause she doesn't know that she needs to come. Come, Crystal! Oh, she's right there. Why is she reading a book outside? Come, Crystal. This is taking too much time, Crystal. Okay. Okay, sorry, Crystal. But let's look after a house. Okay, now we are going to look after a house. Come. KK, I'm coming. Sorry, Crystal, I didn't want to make you mad. What about this one? No, not really. No, not really. Yeah, that's not. No, yeah, you're right. Come, let's go to the next one. Oh, there's one in front of it. This, I don't know. It seems kind of cute. Yeah, but let's look. I don't think the owners are putting it on sale right now, but this looks cute. But it also seems really small, so I really don't know. Oh, there's the owner. Come before the owner kicks us. Oh yeah, she kicked us out. Oh, let's go. What about that one? It seems big, but maybe it only has one room. It seems like a cute one. Let's look inside. Let's look inside of this. This seems cute. Oh, it's so cute. The toilet is very big. And that's really cute. Oh, I don't really think it's really cute at all, but I don't think it should be my house because it's very bright and it only has one room and it doesn't fit me and my kids. But I would love to live here if it had more rooms, especially the chairs and everything. But yeah, you don't get the furniture. Come. Oh, I don't really see any other houses near this. I will go look at the other houses near it. Oh, let's look here. This seems so cute. Oh, it's really big. I don't know if I can buy this. And it has a flag on top. Oh, I cannot see which flag that is. Let's look. Come. Oh, they kicked us out, but it was for sale. Even look. Rude. They kicked us out. Why? Whatever. Yeah. Let's look at the next house. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god. So cute. It's for sale and all. So cute. Let's look inside. I would love that I can decorate myself. Yes, you're right, Crystal. It's so cute. It has no lights, but it seems really big. Oh, it's too dark. But it's so cute. Let's look in the front yard. It has some flowers here. And I can plant some stuff over here. It's night, so it doesn't look that pretty. But I'll come back here in the morning. I love it! You're right, Crystal. So right. I'll come back here in the morning. It will be so cute. Oh, but before we go, I just want to check out the garage. Because we need a garage. Because the kids really want a car. And they seems like they really liked that off-roader we saw yesterday. Oh, this is really cute. I'm so happy the kids aren't home from camp yet because I can surprise them. And even though we saw that off-roader, like, that was lucky we saw each other on the road because they were going on a walk with the camp. But yeah, I'll come back in the morning now. Me and Crystal are finally back. Oh, finally. Crystal loves it, I think. Let's check if we can buy this. Yes, finally. You're right, Crystal. You're right. So I really liked this path. You can just sit here and relax. It's so comfortable. Oh, I love this house so much. How much would this cost? I will get the one who sells the house. Oh, it finally she's here. So I just want to ask if I can buy the house. So I just want to ask. And how much does it cost? Or how much money is it? 'Cause, oh, I really like this house. Please let me get it. Oh, let me check. Yeah. Okay, this house is so pretty. Oh. And it fits perfect for my family. Okay, the house is for sale. Thank you so much. Okay, this means so much to me. How much is it? Please don't be too expensive. 1 mil? 1 mil. Yeah, I can buy it. I buy it. 1 million. $1 million, I can do this. For my happiness, for the kids' happiness, and it's a pretty cute house. And my art is selling pretty good. Thank you so much. So the house will be sold tomorrow morning. Great. No problem. Have a nice day. Thanks. You too. It's 5 a.m. now, and she messaged me that I need to come at 5 a.m. Then I can buy the house. Okay, let's pay. Guys, I'm so excited. It's so great. I'm finally getting a bigger house. The house has been sold to you. Thanks. I need to pay. Pays. Oh God, that was $1 million for a house. Oh, takes money. I'm so scared. Is this house real? Am I dreaming? It's real! Oh my God, it's real. I can touch it. Oh, I'm walking. I'm so happy. I just bought a house. I'm so happy. I'm singing. Oh my God, I love it. Thank you very much. No problem. Oh guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This video was so fun to make. I used like my whole day yesterday on building this house. And by the way, my last video was also with my friend Crystal. We had so much fun, and yeah, it was so fun to film this video, especially because yeah, I built this house yesterday and it took me so much time, so I finally used it for something. But let's end the video here. I'm so sorry, guys. But remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press that bell down below. Then you will get a notification every time I post something new. Bye, guys. See you next time. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.